Oh, hey Rachel.
What are you looking at?
I'm checking out trpparts.com.
Oh, nice. I was just about to look up a part number.
Well, as parts professionals, this is a great tool to help find the right replacement product.
I need a replacement part for a customer. Can trpparts.com help do that?
It can. You can search for the part you need by using the part number, but you can also search by keyword, competitor part number, category, VMRS code, make or model of the vehicle, or just even by the VIN number.
Oh, so if I don't have the part number in the future, I can search by using any of those functions.
Exactly.
Okay. What else makes this site a must-need for parts pros?
Well, it has over 110,000 all makes part numbers, over 1 million cross-reference records, and over 20,000 parts with images, some of which have a 360-degree view. So almost any product that you needed, you can find on this site.
I like what I'm hearing. Is it available to all parts pros everywhere?
It is. In addition to English, it's also offered in Spanish and French.
How often is the site updated? There's a lot of part information out there.
It's actually updated every night, so you're always going to get the newest and most up-to-date information. You want to go ahead and enter your part number so we can look it up together?
That'd be great.